Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to leave group chat in Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, give your login details and sign in. Now on the screen you can see your old chats, and at the top left corner a hamburger menu, and at the top right corner there's a pencil-like icon. On this video I'm going to show you how to leave group chat. So open the group chat from your chat history, then on the top tap on the group name. Then all you have to do is just scroll down, and at the end of the screen you can see a leave chat option right below report under privacy and support. Just select leave chat and tap on leave. And guys, that's it. That's how you leave group chat in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.